Today we are going to make video of class 5 computer hands-on, a book of information and communication technology, and chapter is know your computer, chapter first. And before knowing too much in this chapter, this is my humble suggestion to all viewers: subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj. Now come to the point: learning objectives. After the completion of this chapter, learners will be able to understand how the computer stores information, appreciate the concept of memory, differentiate between primary and secondary memory, RAM and ROM, appreciate the use of secondary storage media, measure storage capacity, understand the basic design of CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit. Introduction. Here given introduction. Here computer memory is used for storing the data of information. You know, memory is used for storing. It is important to learn about the various types of memory used to store data or information. Hi friends, I am Tobo. Meet my friends Tobo. Let us play a memory game. Double memory game, what is that? It is a game where you need to use memory. It means in this chapter mainly we'll describe about memory. Oh, okay, let us play. Observe the two pictures, find out any four differences and list these differences in the space provided below. Here question is like this: there are two lists, there are two pictures, and you have to find out four differences between them. Dobo yappy, I found all the four differences. I used my brain, concentrated and recalled. Dobo yum, two, you used your memory to play the game. Let us play some more games. You know about games. Ask a student to perform groups of 10 students each and tell to speak 10 sentences on any topic of their choice. Some more memory games you may watch using this website. Now next thing. Memory stores information. Simple definition: like we use our brain to store information, similarly computer uses its memory to store the data and information. In human brain stores information, in computer's memory. Short-term memory and long-term memory. Dobo, yes, no, I understand that as we have one brain, computer has one memory. Tobo, no, computer has two types of memory. Do you know? See this. Some special incidents we remember throughout our life, like first stage performance, birthday parties, our vacation, etc. Some daily incidents we forget, like who was sitting behind us in the class last week, what we or on a particular day, etc. Now types of memory. Internal memory of the computer system. RAM. First, RAM. Short-term memory. It is a short-term memory. Read or written. Data can be read or written. It is volatile in nature. That is, the data is stored temporarily. When power is switched off, the data is lost. It holds the data and instruction required and used during processing. This is RAM. Now ROM. Long-term memory, data can only be read. It is non-volatile in nature. That is, the data is stored permanently. When power is switched off, the data is not lost. It holds the system startup instructions BIOS, basic unit output system, which is stored by the manufacturer. ROM only reads, RAM reads and writes. Dobo, let me test your memory. Dobo, my memory, okay. Dobo, switch on your computer system. Can you tell me which memory is used? Dobo, oh, simple. Primary memory. But I have never seen RAM. Dobo, yum, I guess I have a movie on this. Watch the movie, how to identify different components inside our computer activity. Watch this movie carefully. Watch this website and note down any 5 components that were shown in the movie: motherboard, CPU, RAM, graphic card, optical drive, hard drive. Recall activity. Identify RAM, ROM. Using this website you can see RAM, ROM. Okay, now next thing, secondary memory. It is the external memory provided with the help of other storage device which store information and data need. This is also called permanent memory. Okay, internal memory. When I asked your father's phone number, you were able to tell the same immediately as the answer is in your mind. This is internal memory. Like the primary memory, when I asked your relatives' phone numbers, you wanted to refer to the phone books, which can be compared to external or secondary memory. This is the difference. You can open website and you can see. Now hands-on. Open writer and make 2 files, namely my hobby and my m. Type some content in both the files. Save my hobby live file before closing it. Close the other file without saving. Now open both the files. Are you able to view the contents of both the files? If not, why? Write the reason in the space provided. No, we cannot able to view the contents of file my m because we had not saved file of my m before closing. Here you are seeing figure, you may draw. Here also calculator, it is IC. Storage devices. A storage of data requires some media to store information till it is deleted or overwritten by user. Hard disk. Fixed hard disk. A hard disk, sometimes separated as hard drive, HD or HDD, is non-volatile memory device that permanently stores information. It is fixed inside the CPU. Here portable hard disk. Portable hard disks, as the name suggests, are very useful because you can carry data anywhere and transfer information, programs, pictures, etc. between computers. CD-ROM, DVD, you have already seen this thing. Compact disc, digital versatile disk, stores huge amount of data permanently. CD, DVD is portable disks that can be used for transferring data and program from one computer to another computer. Blu-ray disc, you are seeing here. Do you know an optical disc is an electronic data storage medium that can be written on and read using a low powered laser beam. Resolution is defined as a matrix of pixels per inch. A screen resolution of 1920 into 1200 means 1920 pixels horizontally across each of 1200 lines which run vertically from top to bottom. A pixel is a single dot on the computer screen. Pen drive, USB flash drive, memory stick. Pen drive is also called flash drive. Pen drive is a portable device used for transferring data and program from a computer to another computer. This is the definition of pen drive. Memory card. Memory card or flash memory. A card is solid state electronic flash memory data storage device used with digital cameras, handheld and mobile computers, telephones, music players, video games, consoles, etc. Now hands-on. Primary and secondary memory. Name of the memory devices in computer: RAM, ROM, memory card, hard disk, DVD. memory type: primary, secondary. Task: storage device: external hard disk, DVD, pen drive, CD, pen drive, CD. You can open this website and see. Measuring storage capacity, it is important thing. Here, mother, smallest storage unit of memory is bit. Bit means binary digit, 0 or 1. What is bit? Mother, Dobo, go and switch on the fan. Mother, now switch it off. Fan understand only 2 commands, on and off. Computer also recognize only 2 digits, 0 and 1. A combination of 4 bits make a nibble. A combination of bits make a byte. Computer memory is measured in bytes. A byte represents a character. 1 byte, that is equal to 8 bits. 1 kilobyte, 1024 bytes. Remember these things in mind. 1 megabyte, 104 into 1024. 1 gigabyte, 104 into 1024 into 1024 bytes. In case of kilobyte, 1 time. In case of megabyte, 2 times, 1024, 1024. In case of GB, 1024, 1024, 1024, 3 times. A storage device, a storage capacity. Floppy disk, 1.44 MB. CD, 7.700 MB. DVD, 4 MB. Hard disk from 10 GB to 1 TB. Pen drive, 2 GB to 64 GB. Organizing of CPU. CPU, central processing of unit. ATM machine works like a CPU. ATM, automated teller machine. You have already seen this thing. You can get money with the help of ATM machine. The card and keypad acts as an input device. The input, that is card details and password, are processed in the ATM machine, which acts as a CPU. In the cash dispenser, which acts as an output device. Here figure, a computer system made up of 3 main parts. Input, CPU. Here input. The device that give data and instruction to computer are called input devices. Example: keyboard, mouse, light, pen, scanner, etc. CPU, it is responsible for processing the data fed by the user, for example sorting the data, performing calculation on it, saving it on the computer memory. It acts as a brain of the computer. Anyone will ask that who is the brain of the computer? CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer. CU, control unit, controls all the components by issuing control signals. ALU, arithmetic and logical unit, performs all the calculation and carries out the instructions of a computer program, perform the basic arithmetical and logical operations. MU, memory unit, stores data, instruction and results of processing. Output unit, the devices that display on or give the result after processing of the data are called output devices. Monitor, printer, speaker, etc. Input and output devices are also called peripheral devices. Hands-on, input device, mouse, keyboard; output device, monitor, printer. Motherboard, hard disk, RAM, ROM, processor. Recall activity: task, input, process, output. Get ready, using car, reach school. Lemon water, milk water, lemonade. Lemon water and sugar. Milk, water, sugar and lemon. Mix water, sugar and lemon. Select a book from library. Enter the details of book issue. Dial number, ringing, talk to person. A scanner, printer, monitor. You may observe this question. Germination plus aid minerals plus sunlight from the sun, plant grow. Pen drive is appropriate 2 and 1. Pen drive is appropriate idle storage device for this purpose because it is light, weight, and easily can able to handle it. Question of this question: observe the computer systems shown below. Identify the numbers and classify the components as input or output devices. Already given: monitor, modem, system unit, mouse, speaker, printer, keyboard, etc. You may observe all these things. This is the chapter 1. Now question answer. First of all, try to draw figure RAM. After that, disk, pen drive. Now write question answer. Here, know your computer chapter 1. What is memory? Memory stores our information. It has two types: primary memory, secondary memory. You know what is primary memory? Primary memory is the internal memory. It has two types: RAM, ROM. What is RAM? It stands for random access memory. It is short-term memory and volatile in nature. What is ROM? It stands for read-only memory. Page 2, computer. It is long-term memory and non-volatile in nature. Question number 4 answer. Add this thing also. What is secondary memory? I have already written all page number. What is secondary memory? Since the storage capacity of primary memory is limited, so we need another memory. This memory is called secondary memory. Example: hard disk, CD, etc. You should write all question answer and in computer copy, not in science copy. Pay your attention this side, and I hope, and this is my humble suggestion to you all, for next chapter video subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj so that you can get new video. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. And also one information: subscribe my channel and also like, share, and also press the bell icon. Thank you, have a nice day.